Car engine assembly factory. Component receiving: engine blocks, cylinder heads, crankshafts, pistons, connecting rods, valves, and other precision components arrive at the assembly plant. Component inspection: automated measurement systems verify dimensions, tolerances, and surface quality. Engine block cleaning: machined engine blocks are washed, dried, and prepared for assembly. Cylinder preparation: cylinder bores and critical surfaces receive final cleaning and inspection. Crankshaft installation: main bearings are positioned and the precision machine crankshaft is installed into the engine block. Connecting rod and piston assembly: pistons are attached to connecting rods and installed into the cylinders. Timing system installation: timing components, gears, chains, and guides are precisely installed. Cylinder head assembly: valves, springs, seals, and related components are installed into the cylinder head. Cylinder head installation: the completed cylinder head is mounted onto the engine block. Camshaft installation: camshafts and associated timing components are positioned and synchronized. Oil system installation: oil pump, pickup tube, oil pan, and lubrication components are installed. Fuel and intake system: intake manifold, fuel rail, and injectors are mounted. Cooling system assembly: water pump, coolant passages, and associated components are installed. Accessory installation: alternator, starter motor, pulleys, and belts are fitted. Electronic systems installation: sensors, ignition components, and engine wiring harnesses are connected. Torque verification: automated tools verify critical fasteners and assembly torque. Fluid leak testing: the completed engine undergoes control pressure and leak checks. Engine dyno testing: the engine is mounted on a dynamometer and operated under controlled loads. Final inspection:
ease it down.
Technicians inspect the finished engine and verify
Looks
test
good.
results. Packaging and shipping: finished engines are secured on industrial pallets and transported to the vehicle assembly plant.